Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Our today's topic is Kafka Producer and Kafka Consumer Design through Python. For running Kafka, I am using Docker. So I am actually sharing that Docker Compose file. If you have any doubt about Docker or Docker Compose, let me know over the comments. I will create a separate video session for Docker and Docker Compose. Okay, so for running Kafka you need a zookeeper and a broker. Okay, now to run that I have to jump into my terminal. I'm creating a separate one. So here you just need to run Docker Compose up. Okay, and yeah, your Kafka, broker and zookeeper is running. Okay, here I need to activate my Python environment. I'm actually using Anaconda. Now I have a main file which is actually blank. I'm creating a basic intro here. Producer and consumer implementation. Now to design that for the REST, actually my plan is I am designing a REST, and through that REST I am activating my producer, my consumer, and the following message communication is going on. Okay, so for that I am actually depend on Fast API to design that REST. Okay, so from Fast API import Fast API, and for creating that Kafka producer and consumer I am actually depending on AIO Kafka. So from AIO Kafka import AIO Kafka consumer, AIO Kafka producer. That's it, only this. Okay, now I am creating my app. Okay, so next step is creating app. So app equal to fast API. That's it. Now for running this we need to design some asynchronous processes. So for that I am importing async.io. Okay, and for this Kafka, actually when you need to design this Kafka you need async loop, which is actually managing the asynchronous communication. So for that I am creating loop equal to get event loop. That's it. So I'm ready now. So I'm creating a Kafka producer and consumer object actually. So AIO producer equal to AIO Kafka producer, and I passes loop equal to our loop. Now it's need a client name or client ID. So client ID equal to say demo app. Then it's need bootstrap. So this bootstrap server is actually our broker. Okay, so our broker is actually running over localhost. So I can add it this here. Okay, now I need AIO consumer. Okay, so similarly I am creating AIO consumer, and for this also I need same configuration, so I'm copy and paste it. One of the thing I forgot that I need to import Uvicon. Okay, because this fast API is run over Uvicon, and maybe I need some JSON. Okay, fine. Now I need to create some event. Okay, based on that event, this producer and consumer is on and off. Okay, so basically the common event that actually happen is up application is start and application is down. So I need to create this startup event, and here I need to start my consumer and producer. Similarly I need shutdown method, actually event and shutdown, and here I just need to stop. Okay, so this is done. Now I am going to create an index by get method def index. I pass the index parameter. Sorry. And I return hello YouTube. Now I need to define a main method. If name equal to main Uvicon, and I need to pass my app, actually main app post port and log level. Log level say info. So now we need to run it. So for running I'm actually Okay, so it's run. So let's check that application is up or not properly, because it's important. Yeah, so it's up. It show me the message hello YouTube. So my application is perfectly working. Okay, so now here I need to create a producer and consumer dot post. So I am creating producer. The topic that I am actually creating, so yeah, so previously also I mentioned that Kafka communicate through topic, because one, not Kafka actually, the producer and consumer communicate through topic based on Kafka. Here we are trying to define a topic dynamically and also pass some message dynamically. So this is my message. Dev. So I am now here creating producer. So producer call method, and it's taking topic and message. Now here it's creating a message where it's getting message equal to message. Now this REST call actually work as a producer, so it's push the message to Kafka. So for pushing that, my method is AIO producer dot send my topic name, topic, I need to pass it as a JSON format. So topic, JSON dot dumps, and pass the message. That's it. And I try to return the status that message is delivered. Message sent. Now I need to design my consumer. So similarly, I am app.post, and just only missed this. Here I just change it to consumer. Now one thing, before the consumer consume, it's need to know that which topic data I need to consume. So for that, AU consumer dot subscribe, you need to subscribe a topic. Okay, now there is so many options. You can directly pass that topic, or you can define a topic pattern. So we are going with the topic pattern. So for that, pattern equal to topic plus, so I think just need to pass a star here. So whatever the next part of the topic, whatever it is, it will take that input. Okay, so maybe if my topic is YouTube, I am passing YouTube 1, YouTube 2, it will actually consume all of that. Okay, now I creating a list which actually contains all of the messages, and I am now getting the data from the consumer. So first it's consume, so I need to check what is the topic. It's actually consume. Then I need to check that what is the message. Okay, and I need to check that what is the timestamp, which time this message is actually produced. And here I just need to pass first topic, so message dot topic, then message dot value, and then message dot timestamp. Now whatever the messages came, I try to append it over the list. Fine. So the situation is now, until or unless it's receive a end symbol or end message, or saying that the producer is telling that okay, it's end now, it will continuously append the data about the message. Okay, now in this producer section we need to encode this message, and here we need to decode this message. For that I am using encoding, and I am passing UTF-8, and here we need to decode it. Okay, so for decode and getting the value, you can say that value equal to message dot value dot decode, and pass this UTF-8. Now we need to check that if it's a end symbol or not. Say our end symbol is only end. Okay, if JSON dot load value with message equal to end or then we need to break it. And we need to return this list. So we are almost done that everything is working fine or not. Okay, here we miss one thing. I need to add async here. So now we are again restart our application and check with here. So actually I am passing a topic is YouTube, and say YouTube, and here also the topic is YouTube. I change it with YouTube 1 because I have that pattern matching, and I am passing hi. So first I need to start that consumer. So see that my consumer is start, and make it little small so that you can see here. So I send hi. Sorry, actually it's my mistake. Actually it should be producer. Okay, so I am sending hi. Yeah, it's now received this message hi. Then hello everyone. Yeah, it's next, it's receive hello everyone. How are you? I'm sending how are you. It's also received how are you. Welcome to Kafka. Yeah, it's also sent welcome to Kafka. Now I try to end this. Yeah, it's actually end the overall process, and it responds the whole message. So this is the basic process of communicating through Kafka, a producer and a consumer. You can write down any worker thread also. For that you can use Faust. If you want, I can share that also in one of my video. Just drop me a comments there. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. In my next video I am planning to provide you some basic idea about random forest and decision tree. Please please connect it with me through my channel. Okay, stay safe. Bye.